Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your device. Make sure your iPhone is powered and unlocked, then open the clock app and go to Alarm. Tap the plus button to begin a new alarm. This is where you set the primary time. Choose AM or PM precisely, because a mismatch is a common mistake. Then select Repeat if this must recur, and tap Label to name the alarm so you know why it rings. Finally, pick sound and decide whether snooze should be enabled. This affects how you wake. Once done with the basic time, you customize the alarm so it actually works for you. Choose a sound or a song. Using a loud, rising tone avoids sudden jolts. Make sure media volume is set where you need it. Press a volume button and test preview to confirm. If you use bedtime or focus, integrate alarms to respect Do Not Disturb so alerts still come through. Finally, create multiple alarms with different labels and sounds for staggered wake-ups or important reminders. To finish, confirm your new alarm toggle is on and double-check the scheduled time and repeat options. Make sure your phone isn't muted and that the ringer volume is up. Also verify Do Not Disturb and focus settings won't block the alarm. If the alarm still fails, restart the device and test again, then update iOS or recreate the alarm. One key troubleshooting tip: if alarms don't play, disable Bluetooth temporarily. Audio may route to another device and mute.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.